Hey everyone, check out the AM ARROWMAX Electric Screwdriver, a cordless precision tool with 28 magnetic bits for all your repair needs. It delivers a perfect torque of 0.2 Nm and spins at 200 RPM, making tightening and loosening screws fast and easy. The ergonomic cube design offers a comfortable grip, and built-in shadowless LED light ensures you see clearly in tight spaces. Powered by a 350 mAh rechargeable battery, it can tighten up to 900 screws on a single charge with convenient USB-C charging. The magnetic bit holder keeps all 28 precision bits organized and easy to access without dropping screws. Plus, the reversible rotation feature and torque status indicator make every task smooth and efficient. This award-winning screwdriver set combines quality, style, and functionality for any DIYer or professional. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.